एक सोने पे सुहागी चीज बताओ, सुहागी। Icing on the cake. We are also celebrating this man's birthday.
वाह क्या लड़का है, वेरी हैंडसम बॉय, इससे तो बहुत मजा आएगा। वाह क्या लड़का है, वेरी हैंडसम बॉय, इससे तो बहुत मजा आएगा।
So guys, are we all connected?
Are we all padded up?
Are you all excited?
So guys, wishing a very dazzling good evening to all and sundry over here. Here this side your host Sumit Rathore with my two co-hosts Mr. Vivek and Miss Bhumika. So guys, as we all know that we all are gathered here for celebrating the Yaro Ki Barat with the mini felicitation of mini person. Guys,
That's the truth.
yes sir.
क्योंकि हम सब जानते हैं कि तन्मय हम सब के दिल में है।
Yes sir.
This is the biggest felicitation of the biggest person.
Yes sir. So yes, Miss Bhumika.
Yes, so guys, everybody, may I have your attention once again?
Yes.
So guys, first of all, let me tell you about Mr. Tanmay, that who is Mr. Tanmay and what are the attributes of Mr. Tanmay. Yes, guys, so guys, he spent his 5 years in this English cafe, in this beautiful English cafe, and guys, he is good in GD, in example, in role play, and guys, how we can forget his activities which
excited for Yaro Ki Barat? Yes! So guys, as you know that we are celebrating Yaro Ki Barat with the small felicitation of big person. Guys, that big person is Mr. Tanmay only. And guys, he is that much big that for taking award from this sir, he need to stand on this chair only. Guys, Now guys, let me ask some few questions from this big personality. Hello Mr. Tanmay, how are you?
I'm fine.
You are going gym regular basis, but result is not coming. I will have to give you one suggestion that after doing gym, you should be keeping your right hand in the pocket. Then result will be coming. I think ये लाइन सबके ऊपर से चली गई guys. My big personality, Sumit would like to say something to you.
Yes. So guys, may I grab your attention? Yes. So guys, I want to talk about this gentleman. He is the biggest role player in the cafe, and he is good in every concept.
Good.
Like concept like goes like in role play, in extempore, in the GD, in everything. But his marking, his performance like apex, but his height not apex. So guys, I want to talk about Mr. Tanmay. So Mr. Tanmay, are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
For what? For what?
What felicitation?
Sorry, this is Yaro Ki Barat. Guys, everyone!
Now wait everyone. So guys, everybody, may I have your attention?
Yes.
Before moving further, sir, guys, everybody, I want to say something to Mr. Tanmay. Hello, Mr. Tanmay.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
But why you came on this earth?
Okay, guys, no, I
guys,
think I said it now. Okay, now guys, as we all know that Mr. Tanmay works in the clinic, and guys, he is not having more time. In the clinic, he needs to go. One piles patient is waiting. So guys, without wasting your time and Tanmay's time, let's welcome the anchor. So Mr. Sumit,
Yes.
to whom we are calling.
So guys, please welcome Chandigarh Lassi Miss Panchika on the stage.
And guys, Raju, Mr. Rajveer on this stage.
लकड़ी एक बंदूक सासू डर की एक हर तुम यो के लाई है कि हमें मारने आई है सासू ने खोला संदूक उसमें लकड़ी एक बंदूक सासू डर की एक हर तुम यो के लाई है कि हमें
So everyone, may I have your attention? Yes. Are you all excited? Yes. Are you all padded up? Yes. Are you all enthusiastic? Yes. Here this side, Vanshika Rathore, with my two co-partner, Mr. Naveen and Mr. Rajveer on the stage. Guys,
Yes,
come on.
So guys, make your attention. Yes. Guys, make your attention. Yes. So guys, you know for what you all are here? Yes. I bet guys you don't know, because I am the person who will tell you. So guys, you all are here for the Yaro Ki Barat and Mr. Tanmay felicitation. Come on everyone. Mr. Tanmay, kindly, Mr. Naveen, give a side. I want to see his face because I get confidence. So now guys, if I talk about this great personality, literally he was my best friend and he is my best friend. Yes. So sir, if I talk about this great personality, like he have given his best in every concept, GD, role play, extempore not. So I want to talk about his like role play. Like whenever he used to come in the role play, he used to blast the stage. Like by his funny personality. Even the role play was serious or the funny. When he used to put his small leg in the role play, that point of time, that role play used to become very apex. So guys, give a round of applause for this.
और हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं इसकी हंसी?
Yes, sir.
I will always remember
Yes, sir.
his apex towering heights.
Yes, sir.
क्या हंसता है यार? Attack!
So Mr. Naveen, kindly tell us about this personality. So guys, may I have your attention? Yes. Mr. Tanmay, may I have your attention? Yes. Keep quiet, nonsense. So guys, So guys, wishing you a very charismatic good evening to everyone here this side Naveen. And guys, if I talk about this great personality, guys, really he has slogged his guts for our cafe. Guys, he was the influencer in everybody's heart. Guys, there is a lot of things of Mr. Tanmay which influenced me, like how to convert GD into bio class, how to laugh on our own joke, and how to give the mufti ki advice to everyone. Eat sabto, you also. So guys, jokes apart guys, now if I talk about Mr. Tanmay, really he has spent his 5 years in the English cafe. But somehow Mr. Tanmay could not able to become the starter of the class. Nothing to worry, it's all about time to time, and I can count on you man, your time will never come. So guys, that's all Mr. Tanmay.
Now, Mr. Anton.
So yes, Mr. Rajveer. Yes, Ms. Vanshika.
So as you all know, he has given his 5 years to our English cafe and the contribution. So he is the great person of our English cafe because he has completed his graduation from WhatsApp University, everyone. From WhatsApp University. He is the bodybuilder without body and he is a protein powder without protein. Now it is high time to call our first performer on the stage. So
It is all being said in a good humor.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
जहाँ ज्यादा होगा वो मैं देख लूँगा.
True, sir.
So today, Raj, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready for sitting on the horse? Yes. We are having the horse also, and you are having
1, 2, 3, guys, come on, back. Let's get started. Ready?
So guys, make your attention. Yes. Now it's high time. Let's call the performers on the stage. So guys, for Mr. Tanmay, I'm going to call the 4 Japanese girls on the stage for showing you the great live performance for the dance. So guys, are you ready?
Yes.
So guys, let's welcome Miss Bhumika Group on the stage.
Come on, everyone! So guys, everyone, are you excited? Yes! Are you fired up? Yes! So yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely. Excited, students?
Yes.
Give the space, please. Give the space.
Guys, drag it a little bit back.
Are we excited?
Yes!
1, 2, 3. Students, please focus and pay heed to them. The first performance of today's evening. And the buzz here. Attack!
नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फायर है।
Thank you.
Everyone should be able to see Mr. Tanmay. Sakshi.
Yes, sir.
Sakshi, Tanmay के बारे में fillers कुछ सब.
Yes, sir.
Some words and some fillers.
So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this.
Students, this is not roasting now. That was the part of the humor. ये दिल से आएगा.
Yes, sir. So guys, may I have your attention, everyone? Yes. So thank you so much, sir, for bestowing the chance on me. Sir, I would like to say about Mr. Tanmay. Sir, from the beginning, he is my good friend. Like he is that friend who always he always like with me whenever I go to the house. He always make me leave my house only. So sir, that is the thing that he is my very good friend. And sir, you know what? I would like to say one incident over here. Like one day, what had happened? Me and like Deepak and Varsha, we all are going towards our house at that point of time. Like one boy like seeing us very brutally. So that point of time.
क्या बोला तन्मय ने? क्या कर दिया सर?
Yes, sir.
What did he do?
Sir, Tanmay's body is more capable. So, sir, yes, sir, well said.
So he protected you?
Yes, sir.
That was a very good gesture.
Yes.
Guys,
Very good human in like.
Sakshi cafe में किस बात पे रूठ जाया करता था?
Yes, sir.
You know, little itsy bitsy things.
Yes,
Always
sir.
used to be upset.
So you know
Focus.
whenever I appreciate Mr. Verma that you know your body is very good. Your body is very
don't
good. He
explain.
always said me that I know you are a fascinate on me. You are a fascinate on me. Sir, he is my brother. I always like appreciate him as a brother. And he said that I am fascinate on him. So Mr. Tanmay, please don't nourish that like sir galat fahmi.
Don't nourish that feeling, that misunderstanding. He has never.
Yes, sir.
Because let me tell you, he already has a special one.
So guys, are you excited for our next move? Yes! Are you excited? Yes! Now guys, time to call the awardees on the stage. As guys, now today we all are also celebrating Yaro Ki Barat. So guys, in the Yaro Ki Barat, now we will be calling the awardees who will be getting the award from Sir side.
इन लोगों ने राजवीर क्या किया?
So
What they have
guys,
done?
these students have given their best in every
Blood and
concept.
sweat.
They have been consistent in the every
Beautiful.
class. They have been given their performance every day.
Fantastic.
Like they have given their blood and soul to
Without
the
mood disorders.
Yes sir. So guys, today on the
Kham
stage.
sukham kuch bhi. They always performed.
Yes sir. So guys, on the stage only sir will be giving the awards to them. So guys, are you ready?
Surprising change. Not me. The coordinators will be giving them the awards. That's a very good thing.
So guys, are you ready for seeing them? Yes. So Mr. Naveen, are you ready for calling all of them?
So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
Shall I call the awardees?
Yes.
So please welcome Miss Khushi, Mr. Deepak, Miss Vanya, Mr. Daksh, Miss Dakshi,
Good job.
Mr. Abdullah,
Good job.
and Miss Radha on the stage.
The first award goes to from Miss Hannah's side. It's beautiful.
For me, everyone clap it up.
Beautiful. Mr. Deepak नहीं आया कोई बात नहीं. Guys, round of applause for Deepak. Miss Vanya. Second award.
Okay.
I have a plan. Yes, beta. Miss Vanya, तालू
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dash.
Yes, sir.
Where is Mr. Dash? What nonsense, Mr. Dash. Miss Dakshi.
Yes. So guys, begin.
Mr. Abdullah.
Guys, begin.
Miss Radha.
Rajveer, it's high time to call the second performance on the stage.
Beautiful.
So yes, Miss Vanshika.
So may I have your attention, everybody? Yes. As we all have seen the first performance, the great performance of the dance of the beautiful
शायरी
Yes, sir.
is very very important for romanticization. आमिर,
Yes, sir.
मैंने सुना है कि we can entice everyone with our शायरी.
Yes, sir.
तो फिर आपने गिरी क्या? है में दिल में?
Yes,
Is there a special one in your heart?
Yes, sir.
What is the name? Say sorry, sir.
Sir, get spirit. Guys, may I have your attention? Yes. First of all, happy congratulations to Mr. Tanmay on the registration and birthday also.
Wait now.
Guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
So I am having this some beautiful shairi for Mr. Tanmay on the felicitation occasion. So my first shairi was like, लोग आते हैं बहुत दिल को जलाने मेरे, ढूंढता हूँ ऐ दोस्त पुराने मेरे, मत कर इन हुस्न की वादियों का पीछा, ये दोस्त ही कयामत में कम आएंगे तेरे. Guys, my next shairi goes like, so before moving forward, there is a word which is called kitab, basically a word. So the shairi goes like, किए कराए का सारा हिसाब देंगे हम, सवाल जो कुछ भी हो जवाब देंगे हम, ये रख रखाव खत्म नहीं होने वाला है तन्मे, कैफे से जाते वक्त भी किताब देंगे हम. So guys, next शायरी goes like, वक्त की रफ्तार ने ये दिन दिखाया है, आज का पल जुदाई का साया है, मगर हुआ है हर मंजिल हो रोशन तेरी, हर ख्वाब हो पूरा, हर सुबह हो नई तेरी. Only for
Last but not least, come on, Amir, be loud.
Yes, sir. So last शायरी as a compliment, like ये ज़मीं, ये आसमां, ये मंजर, ये जहां, ये ज़मीं, ये आसमां, ये मंजर, ये जहां, खूबसूरत तो बहुत है, पर तुम जैसे कहाँ.
Attention! Yes! So guys, what a wonderful shairi has been given by Mr. Amir.
Focus.
Guys,
Adam, wait. Guys, are we ready? Yes, sir. सांस भी आप सोच समझ के लेंगे यार, नवीन.
so guys, the single word of Mr. Amir touched my kidney. So now guys, as we all know, we are having 1,000+ award in our kitty.
Absolutely.
Now it's high time to call the next awardee on the stage. So yes, Miss Varsha.
So yes, Mr. Rajveer.
So guys, make your attention. Yes. Are you ready for seeing the awardees on the stage? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. No, Mr. Monu, you will not come. So guys, let me call the awardees. So guys, let's welcome Miss Varsha, Mr. Taresh, Miss Bhumika, Mr. Prasad, Miss Neha and Miss Anam on the stage.
My heart, my kidney, my liver. Tell me that's what Mr. Tanish, nahi aaya. Vanshika, please beta, from our side.
Guys, everyone!
Miss Bhumika, ye rahi.
We all have to continue clapping our hands.
Show your energy, everyone. Mr. Prashant, well done. It's a tight slap to all those in the afternoon who are still not awake. Ye jaagiye. Very good, Prashant. Miss Neha. चाहिए नाम जरूरी था, but okay, कोई बात नहीं. Miss Anam. मी सर कोई है जो आलोक के बारे में, तन्मय के बारे में बोल सकता है? He is the only man. He has a very special bond, a great bond with Mr. Tanmay, with up and down, with ups and downs. इनकी दोस्ती topsy-turvy की तरह ही है. It's been a topsy-turvy situation, but now I think everything is clean, as crystal as diamond. बेटा आलोक,
Yes, sir.
तन्मय,
Yes, sir.
what he means to you?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this beautiful opportunity. Guys, may I grab your attention? Yes. Sir, what I do believe personally, sir, first of all, he's not like my friend, he's like my brother.
Beautiful.
Sir, because I can say, sir, in the afternoon class, he's the only one to whom I, always look up. Like, sir, the man who can always stand with me. Sir, I can say Tanmay only. Sir, I can
Beautiful.
say, whensoever, sir, we give the fantastic speech. At that point of time, sir, Tanmay is the only one who always make me laugh. Like, sir, he was the only one person who stand behind you and create the funny things. And, sir, I can say in the class, sir, he's the only one who is creating the, I can say, funny things. So, sir, for me, like, Tanmay is not like my friend, sir, he's like my brother. And, sir, apart from English Cafe, sir, he's always stand behind me. Like, sir, in the I guess, after the class, we always went to...
याद है वो जुगलबंदी दोपहर की?
Yes, sir, definitely.
You both created history.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Sir, how I can
forget? Very good.
Yes, sir, how I can forget my old days, sir.
इतना बोलते थे ये,
Yes,
इतना?
sir, definitely, sir. I can say, sir, I can say not the presence of mind only, but, sir, I can say Tanmay has also given a lot of to me. Like, sir, he has given a lot of to me. Like, sir, sometimes I know I forget my speech, but he is the only one who always gives me the topics. Like, brother, you have to speak like that. So, sir, I can say Tanmay, bro, this is the very beautiful moment for you, and I can say
आलोक, आपके बाद ये इसकी felicity.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. So, sir, actually, sir, from my heart only, I am feeling so much happy. And, sir, today, because, sir, I felt that, after me, my brother is getting felicitation. Sir, I can say, this is very beautiful moment for
आलोक,
me.
इज्जत कमाना क्यों जरूरी होता है? यहाँ लोग ना कुछ और कर रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
Some people are doing something different here.
Yes, sir. Guys, actually, let me tell you the reality. Whatever you are doing here, hanky-panky things, it will give happiness to you. But I can say in the future, it will create nothing for you. Like, sir, you will reminisce your old days that you have wasted a lot of time. But I can say if you will learn something from there, then definitely you will use that thing, outside.
किसी को खुश करने के लिए मत perform
Yes, sir,
करो.
definitely, sir.
Make yourself happy, please.
And guys, to be very honest, guys, I can say personal experience of it, and I can say very good experience of it. I can say, I don't want to share it only, but sir, I am just sharing in front of you all, sir.
Thank you, my dear.
Yesterday only I have tried one interview again, sir. In the Noida sector 8, sir. Because of English only, sir. She was too much happy about my English. When she was listening me, she was saying only one thing, that your fluency is too
Right.
good. And sir, she was saying
मेरा
that.
काट नहीं दिया.
Yes, sir, definitely.
So guys, make your attention. Yes. Mr. Alok, how are you?
Fine.
आज पजामे में नहीं आए? But you are looking very handsome. Thanks. What a speech from your side. So now guys, let's move to our next performance. So guys, are you ready? Yes. Now guys, time for laughing. Now I'm going to call the 2 or 3 like stand-up comedian on the stage. So guys, are you ready? Yes. Mr. Naveen, kindly you call.
So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes. Miss Pariksha, I know you are having the stress of the examination. That is why only I am calling the one stand-up comedian, not one the 3. So please welcome. There is one stand-up comedian who does the stand-up comedy blindfolded. So please welcome Mr. Gitansh, Mr. Gautam, and Lakshya on the stage.
1, 2, 3. Are we good to go?
Yes.
Are we all fired up, Krishna?
Yes.
Why? Attack!
रेडी भैया, सेटल हो गए तो स्टार्ट करें? अरे बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। ना ये लक्ष्य का है?
I don't know, brother.
लक्ष्य कभी लड़की से बात करता है कोने में, कभी फोन में बात करता है, जब भी काम होता है पता नहीं कहाँ चला जाता है ये।
भाई क्या बात हो गई? What happened with you?
भाई कहाँ था तू?
भाई मैं गया हुआ था बाहर बता।
वॉशरूम में? क्या कर रहा था तू इतनी देर से वॉशरूम में?
स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी के नाम पे स्टेज पे खड़ा होकर करता है।
अच्छा वही जो एरम डांस के नाम पे करती है।
हाँ भाई जो सुमित लीडरशिप के नाम पे कर रहा है। चलिए अटैक।
सॉरी, आज सन में जा रहा है।
कहाँ जा रहा है?
भाई मावन ने।
Oh.
1, 2, 3 start before I say excuse me. आगे बढ़ो।
नहीं भाई, आज उसकी पहली स्टेशन है।
तन्मय तुम जा रहे हो? तो जाओ ना।
वहाँ खेलो मत जितना खेल सकते।
पहली स्टेशन है आज उसकी।
ये क्या-
इज्जत दो उसको।
ये क्या
कैसे
होता
वो तुम्हें देता है?
ये क्या होता है?
पहली स्टेशन है उसकी।
भाई वो क्या होता
अरे
है
उसको
तो
बताओ
बताओ।
ना।
अरे तो पहली स्टेशन क्या होता है भाई?
पहली स्टेशन वो होती है जब कोई बंदा इज्जत से, प्यार से, रिस्पेक्ट से
भगाया जाता है।
कंप्लीट कर दे रे।
भगाया तो भाई तू जाएगा अगर ऐसी हरकतें करेगा। ये बच्चा खो गया, किसका बच्चा? सचिन।
भाई बच्चा मिल गया, तुम्हारा ले जाओ।
सचिन है कहाँ? मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा।
मिलेगा मिलेगा।
Guys, now hold your horses. Guys.
पहली सेशन मैंने बताया ना क्या होती है। तो गाइस, आपको पता है कि इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए लड़की इम्प्रेस करने के लिए इंग्लिश से ज्यादा शक्ल भी होनी जरूरी है।
भाई तेरे पास तो है ही नहीं।
तो तू कैसे बोला?
भाई तेरे पास तो है ही नहीं।
मेरे पास कौन सा है?
भाई तेरे से अच्छी है।
तो देखना चाहिए।
I would request the next time, next management people should be bringing a piece of art which you call a stand-up comedy in English.
Yes.
Try करके देखो।
Yes, sir.
70 English, 30 हिंदी।
Yes, sir.
Try करके देखो।
Yes, sir.
ये तो दिल से पूछो कि कैसा लग रहा था। Everyone will be having one voice. Now start.
So guys, make your attention. Yes. Have you enjoyed the stand-up comedy? Yes. Now guys, time to call the awardees on the stage. So guys, are you ready for seeing them? Yes. So guys, let's call awardees. So Miss Vanshika.
So our next awardees are Miss Sakshi, Mr. Zaid, Miss Prachi, Mr. Mohit, Miss Pratigya, Mr. Shahnawaz.
Welcome these people as well because they've also given their blood and sweat. तालियों के साथ स्वागत। Let us welcome Mr. Akansha, the head coordinator, to be handing over the awards. Mr. Shahnawaz, Akansha.
Mr. Shahnawaz.
Wait, beta, wait. Akansha, let's go.
Yes, sir. His performances speaks volume. I can say that because he is a really hard-working performer of our cafe. So this is for you.
Okay. Second, Miss Sakshi.
Yes, sir. Miss Sakshi, heartiest congratulations.
Well done. Great job. खबराना नहीं Akansha.
Yes, sir.
Miss Pratigya. Pratigya, you love Korean movies, right? Very good. बहुत कुछ अंदर.
Wait, everyone.
Mr. Zed, where is Mr. Zed? All right, students, afternoon students, you know what they call him? They call him a Russian fellow. Mr. Mohit.
Mr. Mohit.
Loud, Akansha.
Mr. Mohit, our dearest congratulations.
Thank you.
Miss Prachi.
Yes, sir. Miss Prachi, a very congratulations to you. Thank you.
Well done. Well done. Prachi, beta.
Yes, sir. So thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. A very wonderful evening to each and everyone, one and all present over here. So first of all, thank you, sir, for just rewarding me on this stage, sir. As being the first time I have came in the Yaro Ki Barat.
Have come? Has आपके बात come?
Yes, sir. I have come in the Yaro Ki Barat, and it has been a great experience just learning and just grabbing so many things from English Cafe, guys. Guys, do you know, like when I came initially, I was not that much connected. But after that, sir counseled me a lot. Sir
It
gave
was
me
your effort, Prachi. करने वाला ना हो तो क्या बनेगा सर?
true, sir. Sir, like your efforts, your blessings, and your gratitude towards the whole class speaks volume, guys. Like, sir, with your support and with your cooperation, today I am standing here, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Congratulations to all. चलिए, guys, are we excited?
Yes, sir.
Time to.
Yes, sir.
Time to.
Yes, sir.
beautiful gifts from Sir's side.
So wait. It is my time, okay? So guys, now it's high time to call our awardees on the stage. Right? Do you know? They have beaten a drum of success and made the noise in this English cafe. So please welcome.
Please welcome.
Mr.
Because
Miss
Pari,
Mr.
Vivek,
Miss
Devki,
Mr.
Jagir,
Miss
Mr. Ashish on the stage.
Yes, sir.
So how many people have been called here? First,
Yes, sir. So 6 people.
नाम लो.
Sir, first, Mr. Vikas.
Well done.
Mr. Vivek.
Well done.
Miss Pari.
Well done.
Miss Devki.
Well done.
And Mr. Ashish on the
Well
stage.
Hang on.
Guys, one more person, Mr. Jagir. Come on,
May I invite our सारे all entrants ये award देंगे. May I invite Mr. Harsh on the stage with arms outstretched, with his auspicious hands. Awards will be handed over.
Thank you so much, sir.
Harsh, कैसा लगा बेटा? It's a long time you've come over here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this golden opportunity. Hello, guys. Here this side, Harshvardhan. So, sir, I would like to say that after so long, I'm standing here on this under
It's
this
been
pious.
1 year.
Yes, sir. Sir, after 1 year, I'm standing under this pious roof and I'm feeling so much, sir, hale and hearty.
Hale and hearty?
Yes, sir. And I'm so, amazing and surprised that I'm still capable to give the awards to.
Why not, beta?
Yes, sir. To these gems of this English cafe. Yes, sir.
वो सिर्फ समय का पलटवार था. We are still waiting for you.
Yes, sir.
Round of applause, guys.
Come on,
To Mr. Vikas. Please, guys, ताली बजाओ.
Guys, give a big round of applause for Mr.
Miss Pari.
Guys, give a big round of applause.
Mr. Vivek. Lassi Vivek.
Guys, please give big round of applause for Mr.
इतना खेल सकते हैं. Miss Devki. Nonsense. Mr. Jagir.
Again from Mr. Jagir.
बस मेरी एक ही इल्तिजा है. इल्तिजा. My request. कह दूं कि तुम. Please don't call him Jagir. Because my student's name is Jagir. हम लोग गलती करते हैं. स्वागत ताली के साथ. Mr. Ashish.
Guys, everybody. What like this, everyone? listen some words from my Mr. Shampoo.
Yes, Mr.
Senior Daksh, as you can see. So guys, may I grab your attention once again? Yes! So guys, as you know very well, that time is gazing at us and we don't have enough time. And we have to go along with the time. So without wasting any time, we have to call the first performer. Guys, do you want to see the dance?
For this performance, Sanya? Yes! Hope everything is cool there, Shanawaz? Yes, sir! Beta, agar yahan stomach upset ho gaya to So 1, 2, 3, are you ready? Yes, sir! Now we are ready after a long time. And the everlasting performance. Start.
Yes, sir.
Now start.
Oh my God! What a dance! What a dance! What a dance! Now you can go. Bye bye. Guys, everyone. Guys. Yes, Mr. Adu.
Yes, Miss Padu. Yes. So now it's time to call another pair of awardees. Guys, another pair of
Before we
awardees.
call another pair of awardees, I like to call Miss Fatima on the stage. Fatima, ma'am.
So come on, clapping
Fatima, maybe have them as well on the stage.
Again, everyone.
बेटा हम जल्दी से पहुंच रहे हैं. But before we have to also collectively invite those who had great bonds with Mr. Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
क्या बुलवाएंगे नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Fatima, you're born will Mr. Tanmay explain the essence and the beauty of boldness which this man carries on his face.
Completely, sir. Guys, everyone, may uncle get you all? Yes! First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this marvelous chance. A very heartiest congratulations to you, Mr. Tanmay. As I can say, this is the best day for you. You are having birthday plus felicitation.
Good job.
After 5 years, you are getting this reward. It is, I can say everyone can understand this thing. It's not about getting reward. It's all about doing the hard work, I can say. Mr. Tanmay, you are fantastic in every concept. If I talk about group discussion, extra board, JD, especially I will miss your activity.
Yeah.
The activity which you used to portray in front of us. I can say it used to give us immense satisfaction from our core of our heart.
May we have original lights on?
On there, please.
ये तन्मय की देन है.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Round of applause, guys. और अगर second floor में जाओगे,
Yes, sir.
if you will be going on the second floor, इसके निशान, his imprints are there on the wall.
Yes, sir.
What a painter! He's a multi-talented fellow.
Yes, sir.
Guys, may I have your attention once again? Yes. Sir, I know him since my first joining.
First
But a drastic change which I have seen in the second joining, that was
Yes.
commendable.
Yes.
I would say, sir, role play without him, I can't imagine.
Beautiful.
The role play which he used to portray, like I can say Chinese character especially. He used to say those lines. I can say no one will be able to after him. You have set a benchmark over here.
Absolutely.
No one can come like you, Mr. Tanmay. A very congratulations
Chalo.
again, guys. Everyone.
ये मेरे लिए felicitation है, जो मैं किया करता था आप लोगों से.
Yes, sir.
Kush बेटा?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Maria.
Yes,
You remember your talks, your bond,
Yes,
your
sir.
sweet, measured equilibrium which you used to maintain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Maria. Will Mr. Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
And of course, there was a tough road which you both followed through. Some verbal banters happened.
Yes.
वो तो चलो let the bygones be bygones.
Yes, sir. So very energetic. Good evening to everyone and myself, Krish Sharma. Very congratulations to Mr. Tanmay. Congratulations, bro. Guys, when I joined, I saw Mr. Tanmay. He was just used to sit there. And one day what had happened that sir slapped him. I don't know what was the reason. From that day only, he was my friend. Because
मैंने जितना इसको मारा है, people have claimed, alleged that sir you've never beaten, you've never said anything to Tanmay. इसका चश्मा टूट गया था बेटा.
yes, sir.
And I had sent Mr. Ankit in those days to get that opticals repaired. And he didn't even say anything to me. He said, sir, okay, nothing to worry. This was the heart he had. And still he's having the same heart. Carry forward.
Yes, sir.
ये बात मुझे याद थी?
Yes, sir.
Well then.
Sir, because old is gold. Sir, I want to say that, sir, you know the bond between me and Tanmay. Sir, what used to happen that we used to go cafe together. We used to roam here and there. We used to bunk the class. Sir,
Nonsense!
Sir, this is the truth. Sir, but I want to say that we used to tell you before bunking the class. Yes, sir. Sir, guys, calm down. Sir, sir, I want to say that.
Tanmay की कोई खास बात. Why is so charming?
Yes, sir. Sir, the one point of Mr. Tanmay is that the heart of him is very pure. He become the friend of everyone in very easy way. Like if new entrant came, he will go and approach him next day. That new entrant will go up.
कृष एक और बात बताऊं, इस आदमी ने कभी भी unprofessional behavior building में नहीं किया.
Yes, sir.
No unprofessional behavior. होता, he would have refrained. This is his beauty. He never did it. So I think we should be applauding first of all on this part of the
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ेंगे. Let's carry forward.
Guys, wait. So yes, Mr. Adish.
Yes, so now
आदेश wait. पीछे नहीं देखा था. लाची, पीछे नहीं देखा.
Yes.
Look behind. सुने. Your duty is to settle the people who are. Now start. Yes. Who can perform best and better, Aram?
Yes, sir.
As in me. Who is that person?
So Mr. Vivek, he's the only one who can perform like a bombshell. Like a bombshell. He's an amazing guy. But before that, so I want more gift.
एरम मांगने की आदत किसी और की है.
Mr. Sumit ji.
Yes.
Mr. Vivek with opticals. Though he will choose Hindi because his English is bad. I expect him to be speaking in English. लेकिन मेरी नकल हिंदी में करता सारी.
Yes, sir.
Attack!
जिसकी आंखों में मेरी
Good evening, sir.
Sit down, sit down.
Good evening, बेटा बैठो. बेटा switch on the exhaust fan. Next बेटा Bluetooth connect करो.
Yes, sir.
Fast. And guys, what a class we had in the morning. Super, fantastic, fabulous, amazing. और बेटा ग्रुप में किसी ने एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं करी. बेटा एक यही तरीका है एडवर्टाइजमेंट करने का. You should be sending a message. What a class, amazing, fabulous. और बेटा मॉर्निंग में आदेश मिसिंग था. अगर आदेश होता तो कॉन्सेप्ट का नाम बताता. एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट का जन्म हुआ. Guys, focus. Starting in a minute. बेटा भूमिका.
Yes, sir.
बेटा where is मादीपुर?
Sir, he is not picking up my call.
नॉनसेंस. उसके घर पे कॉल करो. मामा चाचा ताऊ सबको बुलाओ.
Focus on the stage now.
बेटा इस बार मुझे उसका भाई नहीं चाहिए.
Indeed, sir.
Focus guys. Starting in a minute. Today we have in morning we have a very serious class. Fantastic. बेटा नवीन. बेटा ये क्या है? बेटा कभी कभार सीरियस क्लास भी दे दे. जैसे आज सुबह मिली.
Be loud.
भूमिका फिर सन में.
Sir, he is in the gym. He is saying that he is coming in 15 minutes.
अच्छा वो भी नहीं अभी तक. Guys start dividing guys.
Don't talk.
नमस्ते सर.
नमस्ते बेटा.
Focus, everyone.
Guys, focus.
Guys, focus on the stage now.
Yes, sir.
बेटा एक और चीज. बेटा जितने भी यहाँ न्यू एंटेंट हैं. गजब हो गया बच्चा हो गया फोकस. बेटा जितने भी यहाँ न्यू एंटेंट हैं मेरी हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों पे फोकस करेंगे. मेरी हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों एक साथ चलती हैं. और गाइस ही इज आल्सो न्यू एंटेंट. हिज नेम आल्सो तन्मय. बेटा ब्रेक में काउंसिल कर देना कभी गलत ट्रैक मत चलाओ. तन्मय नॉनसेंस व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
Sir, shaking the protein.
बेटा इसको आगे बैठाओ. पीछे सिगरेट पड़ के लगे. So guys, shall we start? Excited? Up the sky? Cloud 9? Laughing high? हाँ तो बेटा अब क्या? अब तालियां. Beautiful. तन्मय बेटा stand up.
Yes, sir.
बेटा बैठो. बैठो बेटा sit down. बेटा start. I need start. तन्मय बेटा पिता अपने बच्चे को टीचर अपने स्टूडेंट को अच्छी तरह जानता है. प्राची where is my starter?
Yes, sir.
प्राची come on the stage.
Yes, sir.
Come on, everybody.
प्राची
Yes, sir.
today's topic is chocolate.
अनिकेत पीछे बेटा फोकस प्लीज.
Today's topic is chocolate. That nowadays why girl is eating chocolate on daily basis. Girl is eating chocolate. And because of chocolate, they are having cavity, they are having dung bitter. Instead of eating chocolate, they can eat rasgulla, they can eat jalebi. And Prachi, I have noticed while eating chocolate, they make different type of faces. Like, पहले खाएंगी chocolate को, and then they keep. What is this?
Yes, sir.
Beta, I don't know from the mono.
Be loud.
Yes, sir.
Prachi, attack.
Yes, sir. So thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. A very wonderful evening to each and everyone, one and all present over here. Sir, do you know, sir, chocolate is the love of a girl life, sir. The first love is the chocolate, sir. Sir, do you know, whenever the girls is having their cravings and whenever they're having their mood swings, sir, so the first thing that the girl demand is the chocolate, sir. Sir, it
Beta,
contains...
wait. First, listen to the speaker.
Sir, it also contains huge amount of cocoa powder in it, which is so much good to diffuse that anxiety and that depression, guys. And sir, do you know what the
Sakshi, repeat her last two lines. बेटा न्यू एंट्रेंट को बता देना स्टाइल घबराना चाहिए. Tanmay, you were saying differ.
Yes, sir.
So better stand up and give the scientific evidence. Tanmay, start.
Yes, sir. So good morning everyone. Here this side Tanmay. So sir, I want to talk about like the scientific evidence.
Yes, sir.
So sir, I want to say that rather than eating the chocolate, we should drink sattu, sir. Sir, all the girls are running behind the chocolate, but they don't know the advantages of the like the sattu. Like when we drink the sattu,
Tanmay,
then yes, sir.
wait. First make the eye contact.
Yes.
बेटा ये audience अपनी है.
Yes.
Wait now.
Reflection. बेटा start again.
Beta, please listen.
Tanmay, start
Yes,
again.
yes, sir. I want to say that we should, when we wake up in the morning, we should do the exercise. Sir, whenever we are doing the exercise, we become very healthy. Like there are lots of people, those who do the exercise, they all are the one who become very healthy. Like they're able to do their work on the regular basis. They're able to run. They're able to do everything. They don't need to go to any doctor or anyone. So I want to say that this, when we drink the sattu and we do the exercise, then we become
Tanmay,
very
wait.
healthy.
Naveen, what do you like to say to Tanmay? He was saying we should drink sattu, sattu, sattu. What is this sattu?
So thank you, sir, for giving me this answer. I want to say sattu is nothing. Sir, instead of eating sattu, we should eat protein.
बेटा wait. हंसो.
Sir, I want to say, sir, he does not know anything, sir. He is just like a Joda chap, sir. Actually, he is not having any knowledge, sir. I want to say, sir, we should ban this kind of person, sir.
Sir,
Yes, then attack.
Sir, I want to say to Gende ki chamdi.
Excluded. बेटा new entrant बैठे देखो. Charisma is sitting here. Start again.
Sir, I want to say that he think that he's going to gym from two years. Then also where is the result? See the result, he's having the skeleton. He's looking like a skeleton, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you remember that afternoon? Once he got emotional, I told him to perform. There was a reason he didn't perform.
Yes.
Guys. बेटा जब स्पीकर ऑफ द मंथ अनाउंस करूंगा रोएगा तू बेटा.
Wait now.
बेटा रवि don't remember. I have an operation of my right ear. I can hear. When going feelings very far, I can hear it.
I'm so sorry, sir.
तन्मय,
Yes, sir.
बेटा it's not about start, it's about end. बेटा आलोक को इतनी मुश्किल से संभाला है. Naveen, come here. Yes, sir. बेटा go and persuade him, encourage him, motivate him. भूमिका 2 फिलर और दो.
Yes, sir. To motivate him, to pump up him, and to encourage him, persuade him.
बेटा ये चलती फिरती डिक्शनरी है. बेटा भूमिका तैयार हो चुकी है इंटरव्यूज के लिए, जॉब्स के लिए. नवीन go and persuade.
Guys, 2 minutes pause.
सासू ने खोला संदूक उसमें लकड़ी एक बंदूक सासू लगी के बंदूक तू जो के लाई से कि हमें मारने आई है सासू ने खोला संदूक उसमें लकड़ी एक बंदूक सासू लगी के बंदूक
name is Daksh. My name is not Shem. So
Okay,
guys,
okay.
may I grab your attention?
Yes!
So guys, as you know very well that we have to go further north. So guys, it's the time to call the next awardees. But before that, I want to say that even as you can see, the kiddos, Mr. They have got the award from the sir side. So if you'll do the hard work, so definitely you will gonna receive the gift from the sir side. So guys, the name of the award is
Well done, students!
the name of the student, the person who will get the awards from the sir side goes like Mr. Dipanshu,
Mr. Uday,
Mr. Anshuman,
Mr. Amir,
Miss Anjali,
Mr. Harshan,
Miss Soumya on the
Guys, attention! Yes! From the behind? Yes! Yes, sir. So now it's time to call the another pair of awardees who will be getting the beautiful, beautiful gifts from sir side. So please welcome Miss
Please welcome.
Akansha,
Mr. Yazdan,
Mr. Prakash,
Miss Sanya,
and Mr. Dev. Guys, everyone.
guys, everyone! Now, Vanya Beta, why there is a call at half 8 when you know that the class goes like 15 past 9, there's a program going on. Sana, inform them that we're going to be setting a free at 9 o'clock. If there's an urgency, then talk to me. Exigency. Okay. May I invite, Sanya? Yes. May I invite Mr. Prathiman on the stage? कितना बढ़िया मूवमेंट है. My own entrant, handing over the awards to the current performers. So, may I have the awards? Prathiman, Miss Akansha, as she deserves. Here she is.
So many congratulations, Miss Akansha. You deserve it, and keep growing, keep motivating everybody.
Beautiful.
Very congratulations.
Thank you.
Shabash. Thank you. Sorry, you know this guy. Mr. Yazdan. Single man.
Sir, who don't know him?
Absolutely.
To be honest, Mr. Yazdan, why Mr. Yazdan, my little brother?
Are.
You deserve this. I know you deserve this. If somebody says you don't deserve this, just forget about them. Just let it be.
Ah.
जो भी हो रहा है, होने दो. It's you, bro. This shows you that who you are.
Good job, beta.
Have this in mind.
Mr. Prakash. And you know him very well.
I know, Mr. Prakash. This is you. Exactly the same line for.
कल ही इसने एक ब्रोथल की ओनर का रोल प्ले किया.
Yes, sir.
ओनर ऑफ. आगे बढ़ेंगे.
Congratulations, Mr. Prakash. Very congratulations for this award. And every same line which I told about Yazdan, it's you. Everything. You are the one. You know what you do.
Just believe in yourself.
Keep motivating yourself and just believe in
Beautiful.
yourself. That's it. Very congratulations.
Right. Sanya. She's Sanya.
Okay. So, very congratulations, Miss.
Better wait. Same line.
Exactly. Honestly. Obviously, very congratulations, Miss Sanya. To be honest, I am seeing you for the first time, and if Sir chose you for this
Thank you,
award,
beta.
so I must say that you are doing well.
Good job.
Keep doing this.
Very well done.
Keep motivating yourself and everybody also. Very congratulations.
छोटा सा बच्चा तूफान है. He's a thunderstorm. Mr. Dev. Talia. Nonsense. Round of applause, guys. अगर मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ और सब कुछ सही से चल रहा है तो क्या फातिमा ताली नहीं बजा सकती?
Yes, sir. Why
She can if she wants to. Sorry, Fatima. Don't hide. Come in front. तालियों के साथ स्वागत.
Guys, may I have your attention, please, again? Yes. So, Mr. Dev, many congratulations to you for this award. And as Sir said, you are a what's that? One man army. You are a tufan.
इसकी लाइन सुन.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3 and attack.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the chance.
आएंगे और मिस्टर तन्मय
Focus, sir.
Guys, ready? आप क्या आशीर्वाद देना चाहेंगे बेटा? What blessing you would like to give him?
Sir, I want to say that he is the good debater and he is the social butterfly of our English cafe and
What? Have you seen his role plays?
yes sir.
मेरा बीमार मेरा दिल. Attractive.
And sir, one time he made the hat-trick in the role play.
चलो, well done. If he can hand over the gadget to Mr. Pradyuman, he will handle it. I want Mr. Yash. My own handle, guys.
Now everybody will be focusing towards stage, everyone.
Yash, please with your auspicious hands to Mr. Dipanshu. Mr. Dipanshu, well done. Lovely. Dipanshu, one line, attack. One line on.
Thank you sir for giving this gift. And guys,
Shabash.
about Mr. Tanmay
Good.
like my brother.
Arey wah.
He is so social butterfly.
Well done.
His scholars were, and when he come on debate, he defeated anyone in flicker of second.
That's it. आपने देखा, he wasn't ready.
Yes, sir.
He wasn't ready.
Yes, sir.
It was instant speech.
Yes, sir.
Pressure दिया बोल पाया. Well done, Dipanshu. Anshuman, is he Tanmay Bhaiya or Mr. Tanmay Bhaiya?
Yes.
Please, better specify and in particular, tell us what bond you having. Guys, please don't mama. Don't mama, please. Give me the break. 7 minutes. Yes.
So thank you sir for going down, guys. My have intentions. Yes. Sir, neither he is Tanmay Bhaiya for me, nor he is Mr. Tanmay for me,
Okay.
sir. Sir, he is the biggest, my inspiration, sir. He is the lover of mine, sir. I am his lover, sir.
स्पीच से ज्यादा बढ़िया ये होता है.
True, sir.
I believe in natural instinct.
Yes, sir.
Great job. Thank you, Anshuman. Yash, Mr. Uday. Mr. Uday, please come forward. Okay. Tanmay for you. Everlasting.
Yes, sir.
Beauty or fragrance.
Guys, may I have evidence, please?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I have mentioned that he is my best friend, and I have gone a lot of way with him, and he is a pure-hearted. Every time he helps me, and that's it for me.
That's it, Uday. Thank you, beta. Soumya has participated many times with Tanmay in the role plays. Yes, Miss Soumya.
That big again, everyone.
Fatima को ताली बजवा दो बेटा. Let Fatima pump up the class. Give her the space. वो भी तो खर्चे अपनी जबान. Right. Mr. Harshal. बेटा.
So guys, begin everyone.
Harshal beta, you're born with Mr. Tanmay. I've seen both of you, dancing on goody songs, especially in Activities Day. Or Activity.
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys.
So thank you sir for giving me this chance. Here this is Harshal everyone. May I have attention guys?
Yes.
So, sir, I would like to say that sir, Tanmay Bhaiya is my best friend sir. And sir, I have one line for Mr. Tanmay sir. May I say?
Absolutely.
Yes sir. So sir,
Certainly.
So sir, my line goes like when the Sasu opened the Sandook, so the Sandook is Mr. Tanmay.
अच्छी ग्रोथ हुई बेटा
Yes,
इस साल. She has really grown with perseverance and a good attitude. Well done, Anjali. Round of applause.
Come on, everyone.
Top of the class.
Guys, may I have your attention? Yes! Are we all enjoying the class? Yes! How much? Very much! How much? Very much!
Don't repeat the things. इनके बारे में कुछ नहीं. Attack. Yes, बेटा. Miss Anjali.
Guys,
इसको कैसे एडवाइस करेंगे आप? हाँ.
so Miss Anjali, very congratulations
Well done.
to you that you have won this award. Not everyone deserves this award.
Shabash.
A big round of applause.
Mr. Amir. Come on, Fatima.
A big round of applause, everyone.
ये 5 आए थे 5.
Yes, sir.
बेटा बैक नंदिनी गायत्री राधा अभी बहुत समय बचा शाहनवाज ये 5 लोग आए थे दीपक आमिर निखिल 4th याद है दीपक शाह 5th जागीर गोविंद कौन टिका हु सस्टेन आमिर जागीर एंड मिस्टर दीपक तालू
Come on, everyone. No, clapping, everyone. Very good. Are you all happy? Yes. Now,
So guys, make your attention. Yes. Have you enjoyed the performance of these 3 anchors? Yes. So guys, let's say bye to all of them. Guys, everyone.
all of them.
Guys, more time. Let's give a huge round of applause.
very good
Yes. So guys, everybody, may I have your attention? Yes. Did you enjoy the performances of our anchors? Yes. It is high time to call our third host on the stage. So guys, please welcome Mr. Vivek and Mr. Sumit on the stage.
So guys, have you all enjoyed the performances? Have you all enjoyed the performances of the anchors? So Mr. Vivek, do you have 10 rupees?
Yes, I have.
So Aram को दे देना अच्छी रोस्ट करके देंगे. Yes. So guys, Mr. Tanmay, happy birthday once again. Thank you. चमकदार हो. Yes.
shining
Yes, sir.
luminous
Yes sir. So yes, Mr. Vivek.
So guys, are you all excited? Yes. So Mr. Tanmay, I would like to give you very small information that today's son's domestic helper is on cancellation. तो जाने से पहले आलोक के साथ झगड़ा. So Mr. Sumit,
Yes.
what do you have in your kitty?
Yes. So, sir, I would like to talk about Mr. Tanmay. Sir, he is having a 2 business. First, clinic. Second, शादी ब्याह के order book किया जाते हैं भाई के पास. Because
well done great job shall we proceed further
yes, sir. So, guys, please welcome charming personality of the English Cafe, Miss Prachi on the stage.
And guys,
बस एक ध्यान रखो that there has to be professionalism in that. चीजें बदल जाएंगी जनरेशन चेंज हो जाएगी नियत वो रहनी चाहिए intentions right बेटा
Yes, sir.
thank you
and guys, our second anchor is biggest country of English Cafe, Miss
Vansha on the stage.
अब एक काम करेंगे अच्छे से इन्वाइट करेंगे अटैक नाउ
And guys, let's welcome our
because
second.
all of us respect one Varsha?
Yes, sir. And guys, let's welcome our second anchor on this stage, Miss Varsha on this stage. Yes,
So guys, last but not the least, Miss Akansha on the stage.
Welcome for our new entrants, Karishma and Simran. आगे बढ़ेंगे, please, Prachi.
Yes, sir. So, guys, everyone, may I have your attention?
Are you all excited?
Yes.
Are you all filled up?
Yes.
So guys, very mesmerizing good evening each and everyone. Here this side Varsha with my two beautiful co-partners, Miss Prachi and Miss Akansha on the stage. Again everyone.
Come on, Sana, come on, Fatima, come on, Sakshi, come on, all my warriors, come on, new entrants, come on, attack!
Yes, sir. So, guys, as we all already know that we all are here for the felicitation ceremony of Mr. Tanmay, guys. Guys, what to say about this man? From the past 5 years, he has contributed a lot to our English cafe. And how we can forget his performance as Tanmay transgender in Shaitan roleplay and also in the Bhagwan roleplay.
What a performance!
Let's have the crowd of applause.
Prachi, Sana, may I have Ayan Ahmed?
Yes sir. Ayan Ahmed.
Ayan Ahmed.
Come.
Mr. Ahmed, I have told many times your parents are to be disciplined.
So yes, Miss Akansha.
And guys, we are also gathered over here for the Yaro Ki Barat. So first of all, a huge round of applause for those students who are going to get the token of appreciation from the sir side.
Clap it up. So yes, Miss Varsha, as the clock is gazing at us, it is high time to invite our next performer on the stage.
So guys, may I grab the attention?
Yes! Give it to
Guys,
me, it.
So guys, whom I am calling? He is the head coordinator of the English Cafe.
Wow.
And he is a very kind-hearted person. And when he come on the stage, we forget Arijit Singh. So guys, please welcome Mr. Adish Pandey on the stage. Guys,
I like to rectify Galti Singh. What is his name? Mr.
Adish Pandey.
Pandey!
Come on everyone.
Guys, everyone! Mr. Adesh, stage is yours.
Yes, sir. So guys, may I have your attention? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful chance. So my song goes like, तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो झूठा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, आजा राजा लड़े फिर खिलौनों के लिए, तू जीते मैं हार जाऊं, राजा करे फिर वही शरारतें, तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं, मीठी सी वो गाली तेरी सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं. And the last phrase of this song goes like, when people left but their soul rests with us. So it goes like that. ओ जाते नहीं कई रिश्ते पुराने, किसी नए के आ जाने से, जाता हूँ मैं तो मुझे तू जाने दे, क्यों परेशान है मेरे जाने से, टूटा है जो जुड़ा है क्यों, मेरी तरफ तू मुड़ा है क्यों, हक नहीं तू मैं कहे यार हम ना रहे, यारी कहानी सालों जन्म हकदार हूँ मैं, everyone तेरा हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं. Let me get
Now, Mr. Kansa, it is high time to invite the next group of bodies.
So everyone, may I have your attention? Yes. So guys, now it's high time to call our next group of awardees because their performances speaks volume.
And Kansa, I am going to be giving you the break after this.
Yes, sir.
After the break, we have Happy Birthday to you.
So guys, to whom I'm going to call, they are the most hardworking students. So let's welcome Miss Kashish, Mr. Naveen, Mr. Sumit, Mr. Aryan, Mr. Monu, and Miss Hifza. Come on, come on
सुनिएगा, please listen to him. This man has got a great observation of life in a very lesser age. Please abide by. So, beta, Mr. Adil, the first award in Yaron Ki Barat category goes to Mr. Sumit.
Come on,
Adil, please, one piece of advice, guys, one piece of advice from Adil's side to Mr. Sumit. ये भी यहाँ से चला जाएगा. Everybody has to go. Adil, ये क्या लेके जाए? What he has to take?
Guys, may I have your attention please from all the corners of the English Cafe? Yes! Thank you so much. Here this side, Aditya, very flourished good evening to all of you. So guys, my piece of advice, not the piece of advice, my heart want to say this, that it is not about that you are getting award. It is very easy to get award. We also used to get awarded by sir. But the point here is, the catch here is, by whom you are getting award or for what you are getting award.
Nice one.
Because if you are getting award, then you must have done something in English Cafe That's why you are here standing getting the award. That is the most important thing. And for Mr. Sumit, congratulations for this.
Come on, everyone.
Well done. Adil, Mr. Monu, my special one.
Again, everyone coming down.
Monu, how many years? 4 years. Great job, round of applause.
Again, everyone.
Mr. Naveen.
Guys, give me
Naveen, don't go by the size. Don't go by the size. कभी-कभी छोटा size बड़ा कर देता है. Mr. Arya. Guys, Mr. Arya. Actually, what the packet was small. So I kind of saw an awkish face, awkward नीचे, awkish face on Naveen's body language. So मुझे लगा नहीं ये घबरा ना जाए. So but the packet is small, but the item is very big. Arya.
Guys, give me
Yes,
But guys, to be very honest,
क्या था?
I didn't see that coming. Very true. Because I didn't, I was hoping that he must have done something or he will do something in English Cafe. I was hoping that thing.
No, he's improved in
But
roleplay.
he didn't prove anything. Trust me, he didn't prove anything. But now, standing beside me, standing beside a felicity
Beautiful
man,
beautiful.
that is a big thing for me.
आदिल बड़ी बड़ी लड़कियां हिंदी में बोलता हूँ मैं कन्वर्ट करूँगा. Bigger girls are becoming his daughter. In the room, please.
Yes.
Guys, give me
Friday. On Fridays, he becomes the daddy.
Yes,
ये
sir.
क्या daddy बनता है?
True, sir.
Beautiful, बेटा. Hopefully. Great job.
Guys, may I grab your attention? Yes! So thank you sir for giving me this golden opportunity, and Sir Aryan. So sir, like first of all to Mr. Tanmay, I would like to say this thing. Mr. Tanmay, very much congratulations to you. Like I hope you will be succeeding in your life very much. Sir, first of all I would like to say, sir, sir, like what were those old days when me, Miss Sakshi, Mr. Tanmay, we all like group of friends used to go to the park and we used to enjoy so much. Sir, like we used to play badminton, we used to have a chit chat, sir, we used to enjoy very much. Sir, like I remember those days very much that the old students were gathered together and we all were talking to each other with very much great humor. But sir, like according to me, nowadays we are missing that thing, and I would like to say to everyone to like bring back that thing. And still it was alive just because of Mr. Tanmay. So I would like to say to you, please like keep on coming to our English Cafe once again.
Yes, you are an alumni now. On Saturday. Well done. Miss Kashish, none other than Miss Kashish. What a growth. Well done.
May I have your attention?
Yes!
Not like this, give a huge round of
Last but not least, who is the actual queen of English Cafe? इसको ऑनलाइन में 15 मिनट के लिए बुलाया. I just called her for 15 minutes. And Fatima,
Yes, sir.
she was ultimate,
Completely, sir.
gigantic, colossal. Beta, this building will always be needing your presence. मैं कहता हूँ आज, please come again. और कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ, please जल्दी से चले जाओ. Please come again.
Guys, give a huge round of
बच्चों मेरा साथ देंगे? Last performance. मैं break दे रहा हूँ. Giving you the break. उसके बाद, after that, Abdullah, fruit and nut cake.
So guys, everyone, may I have your attention? Yes! People loud, everyone. Are you all enjoying our function? Yes! First of all, very congratulations to our past awardees. Now guys, it is high time to invite the last performance of the day, guys. Guys, the pair to whom I'm going to call is that our ritual is that without them we cannot end the function of English Cafe, guys. They both are having so much inventive personality that I cannot explain in
फरमाइश। बेटा 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 बस। 1, 2, 3, here you go and attack. Well done, well done. Come on, come on.
தமிழ் தெரியாதா? ஹிந்தில ஒரு செகண்ட்.
invite Miss my old fellow, is there anyone? Yes? May I invite Mr. Ganesh? नहीं है तालियों के साथ स्वागत मिस्टर राजवीर This man is the king of role plays. Yes, sir. King Mr. Adesh. We'll keep these in the cabin and sort it out. Miss Winnie! Beautiful! Thank you, students, for being a part of English Cafe. We love you all, right? May we grab everybody's attention?
Yes, sir.
The time the clock is gazing us, Amulya.
Yes, sir.
But we cannot proceed further without this ceremony.
Yes.
What a cake, Adesh! What a cake!
Yes, sir.
ये तो बुलाया है.
Yes, sir.
तालियों के साथ बेसब्र हैं. We are curious, eager, and famished to hear golden, magical, banquet words.
So guys, may I grab your attention? Yes! So sir, I would like to say that sir, like, it is very pious occasion for me, and sir, I want to say that sir, like, it is my all of you are my family. Sir, the journey is too much like hard towards me. Like when I was starting, in the starting, I was like a guy who is not having to speak up.
Interest भी था.
Yes sir, I am having interest also. But instead of you, like because of you, I am starting the English and I am a fluent speaker nowadays. And
आज तो eye contact maintain करना है.
yes sir. And sir, what I believe that sir nowadays, and sir, I want to say that sir, you are my inspiration, you are my everything. And sir, I want to say that
बहुत डांटा है.
because of you now, I am here and standing in front of you and speak English in the fluent way. And sir, I want to say that sir, like Mr. Alok, Mr. Sumit, Mr. Raju, sir, they all are my heart. Sir, I want to say that sir, like I am not, like we can say I am not upset with them.
Well
and, sir,
done.
like Miss Sana,
Mr. Rajveer, Mr. Sumit, सभी में.
yes sir. Sir, Shakshi also, sir, like everyone. Sir, I want to say that everyone.
बेटा आखिरी में तो याद नहीं जानी.
Yes sir. Like sir, like I don't want to create the negative.
No, कभी नहीं.
Yes,
किसी से नाराज मत रखना.
Yes sir, and sir, I want to say that sir, like all of this, all of all my friends, and sir, I want to say that like thank you for giving me this like wonderful.
And a good happy birthday, Mr. Tanmay. May God bless you. और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि मेरा लास्ट तू करेगा फ्यूचर में. ऐसा होता है. I don't want to see that time, but Tanmay, बेटा, you made everyone emotional here. Fanatical, conveying the regards from our side to your parents. What a lovely vacation. क्या जन्म हुआ. तालियों के साथ सुन रहे. Important चीज तो रह गई. I got distracted and deviated because of my dear students. My heart miss Sana. कोई बात नहीं, बच्ची है. Mr. Tanmay, तालियों के साथ. इसे कहते हैं इज्जत. Response students.
Thank you.